Hey, what's up guys? I'm the GamePro232 and I'm here to show you how to make an extremely awesome thing. That would be a battle potion. If you're like me, you're going to want to make this thing out as much as you can. So without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. Come on. It's right there. Yep. Okay. So you will need 1 bottled water, 1 deathweed, and 1 rotten chunk. To make a bottled water, you will need 1 glass. To make 2 bottles. To fill those bottles, you will stand in any amount of water and craft it in the potion section. And you will get 2 bottled waters. You only need 1 of these bottled waters to make 1 potion. You will need a deathweed. To get a deathweed, you simply swing your sword like a maniac around the crimson and corruption. To get a rotten chunk, you could also do this with vertebrae. To get a rotten chunk, you just kill a bunch of eaters. But yeah, you make it on an alchemy station. As you can see, it increases enemy spawn rate and it has a 7-minute duration. And of course, it's consumable, which means that it will only last as long as those 7 minutes last. Once you drink it, it's gone. And I just drank it there, and instantly I walk outside. I even have a water candle out here, so if you want to increase your battle, like even more than just the battle potion, you could do something really awesome and place a water candle and be a truck like me. So if you really like to fight, this is definitely your potion. But yeah, I'm just destroying these guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to hit that like button. And if you really enjoyed it, please be sure to subscribe. This has been the GamePro232 teaching you how to make a battle potion, and I'm out. See you later, folks.